This one is a 1974 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is Alpine Blue, I believe. It's got a paper tray back here. To set the margins, you just move these with your finger like that. Got them set the beginning and the end of the page here. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space here and it brings you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single space. To change it to double or triple, you just hit that switch there. Right now we're going to keep it on single space. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. We'll type the sentence real quick. Type's very nice, gorgeous machine, great condition. It's got elite print, which prints 12 characters per inch. The print looks very nice. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. To pull the paper out easily, you just flip this switch forward here and it pulls right out. It releases the rollers underneath the platen and allows you to load thicker paper and pull the paper out easy. It's got a tab function right here. Right now we don't have any tabs set. So we're going to set a tab right there. And it stops at that tab. To clear it, you hit clear. And now you don't have any tabs. It's got a backspace on the top left over here. This is the touch control. Low, medium, and high dictates how hard you have to hit the keys. Low, you don't have to hit them as hard as high. It's got a carriage release on both sides. Allows you to move the carriage freely. Very smooth carriage. Inside the hood we have the spools. Ribbon direction control is right there. So if you flip it back, it'll start pulling to this side. If you flip it forward, it'll pull to that side. Got a power space function on this one. It's pretty cool. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.